Hi, my name is Jessica Tapana. I own a group psychotherapy practice and also simplified SEO consulting. We help therapists and other small business owners around the world optimize their websites so that they rank better on search engines and get in front of more of their ideal clients. Last time, we talked a little bit about the very first steps that you should take if you're interested in optimizing your website for search engines. This week, I want to talk about 3 very powerful things that you can do to begin the process of optimizing your website for search engines. The first thing I want you to do is specify a meta description on every page of your website. A meta description is what will show up underneath the name of your page on search engine results. If you don't specify a meta description, that search engine will pick a couple of random sentences from somewhere on your page that may or may not accurately describe what's on your page. So instead of leaving that to chance, I encourage you to go through your website and write your own meta descriptions on these pages. Google still has the choice to ignore what you've written, but most of the time they're going to show the meta description that you've chosen. So choose your words wisely. Try to accurately summarize in about 160 characters what the page is about, and also do so in a way that uses a few of those keywords that you've identified that you think that your ideal clients are typing into search engines. So this way, when you do show up in search engine results, it will give the viewers an accurate idea of what your page is about and increase the chances that they will click on the website, while at the same time giving Google a good picture and other search engines a good picture of what that page is about, so they're more likely to rank that page well for the keywords associated with that actual content of the page. The second tip I want to give you today is to consider adding internal links throughout your website. So an internal link is a link from one page of your website to another page within the same website. So for instance, if I'm talking on an anxiety treatment page of my website and I reference, you may also be feeling depressed, and the word depressed goes to my depression counseling page. Now I have created an internal link from my anxiety page to my depression page. This is really good for several reasons. First, it encourages people to stay on your website longer, because now I'm encouraging people who are on one page to also go check out another page of my website. So the chances that they're going to learn more about my services, learn more about my business, get to know, like, and trust me more increase as they visit more pages of my website. The other thing is it encourages search engines to move between the pages of my website and to visit more pages, and tells search engines that, hey, that word depressed goes to this depression counseling page. That depression counseling page must have something to do with depression. So internal links are really good for many reasons, and I highly encourage you to add several to every page of your website. The third tip I have for you is I want you to work on building backlinks to your website. In fact, I think this may be the most important tip of all, is to get other websites to essentially vote for your website. Because when somebody links their website to your website, it's kind of like telling search engines, like, hey, I trust this website. I think that this website has information that viewers of my website are going to find useful, so I'm sending people to that site. So you want as many people as possible to be telling the search engines that. So do what you can to get as many backlinks as possible. However, quality also matters. Every backlink is not created equal. If you can get a really reputable website, a website that has lots of that already has lots of other websites pointing to it, a website that Google already trusts, get one of those websites to point to your website. It's much better than getting random Joe Blow down the street to point to your website. And so think about quality. Think about trying to get trustworthy websites that already have good SEO, that have been around for a while. .gov or .edu websites, if you are especially helpful. If you can get those types of websites to point to yours, then major kudos to you. That gets you lots of brownie points with search engines. So those are 3 quick tips. If you want to learn more about how to write an effective meta description, what type of internal links to add to your website, and where to go to get backlinks added to your website, please go to simplifiedseoconsulting.com/POP for Practice of the Practice. We have a course that can give you all kinds of information and demonstrate exactly how to do these 3 things really effectively. So again, that is simplifiedseoconsulting.com/practice of the practice. Otherwise, I look forward to sharing more tips and tricks with you next week so you can continue working on optimizing your own website.